How are you doing, math learners? This is your free access math teacher Ash, and welcome to ML with Sir Ash. We are finished with adding and subtracting decimals. So now, for the topic today, we will be multiplying and dividing decimals. If you don't know about this, then finish this video. But before anything else, hit that subscribe button and notification bell for you to be updated of these cool clear math videos just like this. Hello math learners! Welcome to another session here in Math Learning with Sir Ash. Today, we're going to discuss the most essential learning competency-based lesson for Quarter 1, Week 5 of the Grade 7 Mathematics, which is all about how to multiply and divide decimals. This is still under the discussion of operations involving rational numbers. So the question is, how do we multiply and divide decimals? Now, this is not like the same as what we did in addition and subtraction, in which we align the decimal places and then the decimal place will follow where the decimal point is located. In multiplying decimals, this is how you do it. We have 71.2 times 3.2 or 71 and 2/10 times 3 and 2/10. The same concept, what you will do is you align them before multiplying, okay? However, the decimal point here will not be following the decimal place. What you will do is you will count how many decimal places are available in multiplying. There is one decimal place, that is the tenths, and another decimal place, that is also the tenths. So therefore, our final answer will have 2 decimal places. Okay, so how do we multiply decimals? You just follow the rules in multiplying numbers in terms of whole numbers. So, 2 times 2, that is 4. 2 times 1, that is 2. 2 times 7, that is 14. Then you multiply the second digit. 3 times 2, that is 6. 3 times 1, that is 3. And 3 times 7, that is 21. Now, after that, you will add all the products. So, 4. 6 plus 2, that is 8. 4 plus 3, that is 7. 1 plus 1, that is 2. And then bring down 2. Since we have 2 decimal places here, 1 and 2, therefore, we will move our decimal places with 2 digits and our decimal point will be here. So that is 227 and 84 hundredths or 227.84. Easy, right? Now, let's consider the second example. That is 9.5 times 6.41. Now, in writing this in a column form, I suggest that you always write first the number with the several digits. So since in the 2 given factors or 2 given multipliers, this is the one with the more digits. So we will write first this number, 6.41, and then we write the 9.5, okay? So that is also aligned. So as you can see here, we have 1 place value after the decimal point, and we have 2 place values after the decimal point. So, all in all, we have 3 place values for the decimal. Therefore, our final answer will have 3 decimal places. Okay, so 5 times 1, that is 5. 5 times 4, that is 20. Carry 2. 5 times 6, 30. Plus 2, that is 32. 9 times 1, that is 9. 9 times 4, that is 36. Carry 3. 9 times 6, that is 54 plus 3, 57. Okay, then we add 5, 9, 8, 10, carry 1, 6. Since there are 3 place values after the decimal point, we have 1, 2, 3, and we will put our decimal point here, giving us the final answer, 60.895 or 60 and 895 thousandths. Easy, right? Now, let us go to our final example. We have 3.24 times 0.56. Okay, so 3.24 times 0.56. Okay, so for sure, you already have the idea how many place values will our final answer have. Okay, so now let us continue multiplying. 6 times 4, that is 24. 6 times 2, 12. plus 2, 14, carry 1. 6 times 3, 18, plus 1, 19. Okay. 5 times 4, that is 20, carry 2. 5 times 2, that is 10, plus 2, that will be 12, carry 1. 5 times 3, 15, plus 1, 16. Okay. Now, we will not multiply the 0 here because that is insignificant. So, that is 4. 4. 9 plus 2, 11, carry 1. That will be 8 and 1. So, we have 4 place values. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. We will put our decimal point here, giving us a final answer of 1.8144 or 1 and 8,144 10,000s. Okay? So, very easy in multiplying decimals. So, remember, the technique is just count all the given place values after the decimal point. And you add all the place values and that will be followed for your final answer. Easy, right? Now, let us go to dividing decimals. How do we divide decimals? In dividing decimals, we will apply the long division. How is the long division done? Okay, so this is 4.56 divided by 1.2. So what we will do is we make this, okay? We put our dividend inside this one, and outside is the 1.2. Now, before you divide the numbers, what you will do is you check first your divisor. If there is a decimal point, you need to move that decimal point in order for it to become whole number. So, this is 1.2, right? So, what we will do here is we move our decimal point to the right. So, it will become 12. If you do that, of course, your dividend will also follow the same process. Since this moved one place to the right, we will also move our decimal place value here, or decimal point here, one place to the right. So, our decimal point will be here, and in our quotient, we will put our decimal point above on that dividend area. Okay? So, now, we have 12, we have 45.6. So, what we will do here is we divide 45 divided by 12, and we have 3 because 3 times 12, that is 36. We subtract 36 by 45 and that is 9. Alright. Then, we bring down 6. So, what we have is 96 divided by 12. So, basically, I think that is 8. 8 times 2 is 6. Carry 1. 8 times 1, that is 8 plus 1, 96. Therefore, you don't have any remainder, and this 3.8 will be your quotient or your final answer. Easy, right? Now, let's consider another example. We have 78.6 divided by 0.12. Okay. So, what we will do here is we write 78.6, okay? And then, this will be divided by 0.12. Now, remember that we will move our divisor in order for it to become a whole number. So, this is 0.12, so we will move this twice. Okay. So, we have 12. Since we move twice at the right, we will also move twice at the right. So, here, we will add a 0. Our decimal point will be here. Okay. Clear? Okay. Now, what we do is we divide 78 by 12. And 78 divided by 12, I think that is, let's say, 6. Okay, 6. 6 times 2, that is 12, carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, 72. 78 minus 72, that will give us 6. Bring down our 6, okay? So, we have 5. 5 times 12, that is 60. Okay? And we also have 6 here, and we have bring down 0. So, 60 divided by 12, that is 5. 60, we don't have any remainder. Since this is a whole number, therefore, that will be our final answer, 655. Easy, right? Now, let us go to our final example. We have here 48.4 divided by 2.2. So, we move one place, okay, to the right. And we also move this one place to the right. So, our decimal point will be here, and our decimal point for the quotient will be here. Okay. So 48 divided by 22, that will give us 2. So 2 times 22, that is 44. So 48 minus 44, that is 4. Bring down the 4. So 44 divided by 22, that is 2. 44. And we don't have any letters left. So we have a final answer, that is 22. So there's no need for a decimal place because our quotient is a whole number. And that is the process of how we divide decimals. Easy, right? Now, to conclude our discussion for today, remember that in multiplying decimal, what you will do is you just count the given place values of your multipliers and you follow that total number in your final answer. While in the division, what you need to do is to make your divisor whole number by moving your decimal point to the right. And in terms of how many movement you have followed, that will be also applied to your dividend. And as to where the decimal point ended in your dividend, that is also the place where your decimal point will be located for your quotient. Now, if you do have a misunderstanding about our topic for today, just rewind our examples for you to have a concrete mastery. But if you still have those inquiries, then you can put your questions in our comment section below. Now, this is the time that I will challenge you whether you have understood our topic for today, and here it is. Okay, math learners, I hope you have a wonderful time in our discussion for today. This is still your free access math teacher, Ash. And always remember, it is fun to learn mathematics if we are together learning. Thank you so much for your support. And I hope that we can have more students that this channel can be helped. Thank you, God bless, and keep safe always. Congratulations, math learners, for arriving to this part of the video. If you think that this video have helped you, click that like button. And if you think that this channel can change the way you see mathematics, do not forget to click that subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you.